Come from Barcelona, Spain. I'm in Spain, Barcelona right now. The weather is really nice over here compared to France and London. It is sunny here. Sunny days looks so beautiful. This is Barcelona. I like this better than Paris because Paris was really freaking cold and snowing and raining. However, Barcelona looks so clean, sunny, and beautiful. Yeah, let me walk through to. I am going to one of the famous points in Barcelona. There are many places to visit in Barcelona, but I'm trying to explore whatever is easier and faster can be. Yeah. Let me show you around Barcelona. It's cool. Yeah, it still can be walked through. Roads are here very big, nice and easier, smooth and straight. I don't see any zigzags around in the roads. They are just fixed road, like straight. You can take one road, second road, or whatever you want. It's really awesome. Look at the trees. Yeah, here is the branded market. I can see all the branded Fendi, Prada, and some other Gucci kind of shops here. It is just afternoon here, but it looks like it's evening. Barcelona city tour. Louis Vuitton. I think at night it will be much more beautiful because I can see a lot of lights hanging around the trees. Oh, no, I don't have to go to the side. Because I'm walking through to one of the tourist point. That map shows this way, so I just want to focus on this way. And I am afraid. I heard there's a lot of pickpockets, so I want to keep closer my camera as much as I can do. Uber cars are here everywhere, easier, and new one is Bolt. I found it in Malaysia as well, in Kuala Lumpur. The Bolt as well is kind of cousin brother of Uber, so that can be used here as well, so much easier. However, I prefer using a public transport such as a train, metros, subways. That's easy access and comfortable, faster and much cheaper compared to Uber or other taxis, because taxis are quite expensive here. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, Dior, Mr. Dior is here. This is the main market, I believe, because I can see all branded shops are here for rich people like me, doing breakfast in London and lunch in Paris and getting dinner in Barcelona. So yeah, thanks God, Alhamdulillah. I must say thanks to Allah for everything I have. That's Alhamdulillah. I'm really happy and excited for everything Allah has given to me. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. Roads are here interesting. I understand like there's a huge road, but there's a one small road as well. The cars are driving from there, and beside that is people walking around. So it's like a little bit confusion which one road to take, but it still is looks cool. Taxis are mostly Toyota and Mercedes. Yeah, bakeries are almost everywhere. Dessert smells very good, sweet things in winter to eat donuts. Yeah, this is one of nice point, I believe. Looks cool here. Let me show you around. That building in the corner looks like kind of so attractive and colorful. Yeah, that's the building. It looks cool. So decorated. Okay, I think I should walk from there. Yeah. Yeah, it looks really nice, colorful and so decorated. I believe that must be a hotel. This is Barcelona, Spain. Yeah, look at that beautiful building. Oh, is this some kind of church or no, I believe. Oh yeah, it looks like a church, but I'm not sure. I never seen a building such like that before, so I have no idea what it is. Sephora. Yeah, I believe there's subways down there. It's easy access in Europe. Actually, is very easy for transport. Unless the person really lazy, wanna take a cab or taxi, then it's a different thing. But public transport is everywhere, almost everywhere. And the best thing is almost is underground. The subways, metros are mostly underground, which is more easier. Yeah, look at that. This is awesome. This looks really cool. Honestly speaking, it's better, and for winter I feel less cold here compared to Paris. That was really cold in Paris. UK was terrible because it was snowfall and rain and yeah, everything. So far Spain I feel better, it's less cold and at least it's a sunny, crystal clear day. Like I want to have a beach around. I'm not sure how far is the beach from here, but it's no time to go to the beach. If I want to go, then maybe I'll be freeze there like a statue. So it's okay, leave it for next time, maybe in summertime, for visiting the beach in Barcelona in Spain or maybe somewhere. So this building also looks really cool. There's some kind of statue on up there, and that looks like eagle, the person sitting on top of eagle. You okay, let's go. Yeah, this is a small road where the cars are driving through, and there's another big road. So this roads are very nice here. I'm not sure what's there. Also there's a road. Yeah, again need to wait here, but I think there's no car, so let's walk it. Wow, this is artificial trees. Oh, it's nice Jeep. Cool. Tesla is a lot in Europe. I find a lot of Tesla cars here. Five Guys restaurants are here. Yeah, the transport is really cool here in Europe. Beautiful, nice, big buses. Wow, Five Guys restaurant's quite big, and I can see a lot of in Europe here. It's more than McDonald's, I believe. Five Guys restaurants. Yeah, this all the way from starting I am seeing like all branded shops here in this road, beside this road, both sides. Oh, there are people following this way, so I'm just follow them. I'm not sure this is right. Right is might is right. Oh, H&M. I found H&M, but it looks kind of historical thing in H&M. Wow, Mr. H&M in the corner. Nobody likes it. Oh, here you go with taxi, Toyota. Yeah, I think I need to run to catch, otherwise the road will be. This way is cool. There's H&M and here's Zara. They are just close to each other. Okay. Oh, Uniqlo. I found Uniqlo is there. Yeah, Uniqlo looks bigger and nice. Yeah, this Zara. Look at Zara shop. Quite bigger here and oh, H&M as well. It looks quite big. Continue watching. I need to find food and find a restaurant, see where the things goes, and I'm trying to find some tourist spot to go, maybe, or book some tourist package, something. Alright, so see you next video. Keep watching. Bye.